Hi everyone, Francis here with the TheBrimFactor, and in the next couple of videos, starting with this video, I'm going to be doing sort of like a mini series on affiliate marketing, starting with becoming an affiliate on Amazon. Yeah, I recommend starting with Amazon because it's very simple. If you're getting into affiliate marketing for the first time, it's always recommended that you start with the one that is easiest to get into so that you get a hang of things and stuff. So from this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Amazon Associates account, how to get into the program. And then subsequently, we're going to talk about how to set up your payment, how to fill the tax information, how to properly and ethically share your links, because there are things you can do that can get you kicked out of the program. Let's get into it. So to become an Amazon affiliate, or to join the Amazon Associate program as it is called, you first want to create a regular Amazon account like I have here, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will see become an affiliate. Click on that and it will lead you to the Amazon Associates page, and you can see here that this email has not been attached or connected to anyone. So click on sign up and we get to the process. So the first thing we see here is to select our address. So if you create your account, there should be one link to your account, so you can use that or select to use a different one. So I'm just going to say use the payee listed above. And now we move to the second phase, which is to enter the website and app where we are most influential. So this could be your website, it could be your social media handles like Instagram or TikTok. So here I'm just entering my website. But of course, I know that most of us do not have websites, and this is a legit question that a lot of people have. What if I don't have a website? Just enter your social media accounts and then answer the question: are any of the traffic sources listed above directed primarily at children under 13? Of course, the answer is no. Now you enter in your preferred associate ID that you would want to use, and then tell us about your content. You can just use a short line like I have done here. And then the next thing is, which of the following best describes your content? I would say content or niche website. Now, how did you hear about us? You can select anything like online search or anything. Then move on to fill the captcha, of course, and select I agree and click on finish. I think we're good. Yeah, click on finish. So now you can see they say congrats, Francis, for applying for the Amazon Associate program. My ID is there. And next thing now is to fill our tax information and payment information now or later. I'm going to say later because I'll show you how to do all of that later. Okay. Again, the notification there is just to fill your tax information or payment information. But instead, I want to show you how to get your link, because that's the question I get the most. In the next video, I'm going to cover tax information and payment information. Go to tools and click on side stripe. And once that loads up, you want to find where it says learn more. Yeah, there it is. Click on learn more and make sure that you have your side stripe enabled, like so. Make sure that is enabled, and that's all you need to do. Now if you go to your Amazon, log into your account that you've created that is linked to your associate, you can now see that you have your side stripe bar up there, and you can click on text and you have your link. You can also make it a full link or a short link. I like that they have the option for short link there, so that you don't have to use any short link tools. So just click on short link. The short link looks nicer and is mostly used. And then there's another format. You can use images. You can select small image, you can select a medium image and large image, depending on what you want to display, maybe on your website, on your blog, or stuff like that. Okay. And then yeah, I think the last form is text plus image. For some reason it's not showing up very well here, but you get the idea. You can just open the link in a new tab or select to show border or stuff like that. So any product you want to promote, just go to the product page like I have here for this SSD drive and use your side stripe to capture your link. Very simple and easy. So I will copy my link now and show you one last tool. So if I copy this link and go back to my Amazon Associate dashboard, click on tools, link checker, I can check if a link is associated to an Amazon associate. So if I paste the link in here and click on check link, it's going to check if it's valid, if it's connected to an associate. And as you can see here, yeah, this link is valid. So in case you want to double check your links or a link somebody has sent to you, you can use that tool right there on your Amazon associate dashboard. Finally, if we go back home, right down here you see your earnings overview. This is the place where you have your data, your analytics, how much you've earned over time and stuff like that. Now we're done with this, you want to check out the next video where I talk about how to fill out your tax information, especially if you're a non-US citizen or you're from Nigeria like myself. I'm going to also teach you how you can remove the 30% tax withholding that Amazon usually imposes on Amazon affiliates, especially if you are not a US citizen. You want to watch this video so that you learn how to do it and do it properly. This will also help you earn the most from your Amazon commissions. I'll see you there.